Significance of crest factor. Crest factor is defined as the ratio of the peak value to the RMS value of the AC signal. For square wave, the crest factor is equal to 1, so peak value is equal to the square RMS value. For the sine wave, crest factor is equal to root 2, so the peak value is equal to root 2 times the RMS value. If let this CF equal to 3, then the peak value is equal to 3 times the RMS value. It means that as the crest factor increases, the peak in the waveform becomes more sharp and higher. So instead of the regular waveform, it becomes the sharp one. So the crest factor is the critical parameter for the power supplies, as they must be able to provide necessary peak currents, especially for the certain electronic loads. It means that if the crest factor is high, then that can be used only when the electronic load is very high one. But generally this does not happen, so the high crest factor is not required. Higher the crest factor, more will be needed for the powering supply, more rush current. When the rush current is very high, then the heat is produced is very large, so this damages the power grid. Higher crest factor distorts the waveform and affects the linear operation of the amplifiers. Thus, the crest factor reduces the efficiency and the reliability of the electronic instrument. So, when the crest factor is high, then the rush current is required to be very high one, and in that case, because of the heat, these instruments get damaged. The crest factor reflects the performance of the electronic instruments. Thus, the high crest factor is harmful as they reduces the useful life of the electronic instruments. So, a low crest factor is more useful, and this is required for the electronic devices. So, this is what the significance of the crest factor. So, thank you very much.